All right, let's answer this past exam question taken from VCAA 2018, paper 1, question 6. It says, which one of the following graphs is not a planar graph? If we were to kind of put this in plain English, what it's saying is, which of these can never be drawn as planar? So let's kind of write that. What this is saying, can never be drawn planar. So what it's saying is, which of these graphs can't I draw as a planar graph? Meaning, which of these graphs can't I draw such that the edges never intersect? So let's go through it. Well, immediately you can eliminate E, because E is already planar. Let's know how you spell already. Already. And then you might look at this one and say, well, this one's easy. You know, I could get rid of this and I could just put it around here. That's not too hard. But then you might be looking at C, D, and B and think, ugh, what am I going to do now? Well, this is where this little exam hint that we gave you up here is going to come into play. Any complete graph with 5 or more vertices is not planar. So looking at this, immediately you should be able to recognize that this is a complete graph. And immediately you should recognize that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. So based on that little exam tip up there, that any graph with 5 or more vertices is not planar, what we can say, therefore, never, or we can just say, therefore, non-planar. It can't be drawn such that it is planar. And that's just kind of using that little definition that we were given. I think that's the best way to approach this question. And the reason why I know it's the best way to approach this question and is a helpful little hint is because if we come to the examiner's report, we can look at something. So this is question 6. And as you can see, 41% of people got D as their correct answer. So this question wasn't really well done. And VCAA actually makes a note of it in their report here. They say, the question student found most challenging involving critical path analysis, question 5 and 6, and the understanding of planar graphs in question 6. So VCAA kind of recognizes that this is something that people struggled with, and they provided a little background for this question, question 6. Of the 5 graphs represented, only D could be redrawn without intersecting edges. Many students would have found this by trial, but some would have recognized option D as a complete graph with 5 vertices. Any complete graph with 5 or more vertices is non-planar. So that's VCAA kind of giving us a little hint that, you know, doing it by trial and error probably would take you a long time. What's far better is just to keep in the back of your mind that if you've got a network with 5 or more vertices that is complete, it can never be drawn as a planar graph. So that is that question right there. Hopefully you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.